My name is Anna. I am 27 years old. I want to tell you my story. It is a story about pain, love, and change. It is a story from my heart. When I was younger, I met a man. He was strong, kind, and handsome. He looked at me like I was the only girl in the world. He smiled at me, and my heart melted. At first, everything was beautiful. We talked for hours. We laughed about silly things. We walked together under the stars. I believed we would stay together forever. I loved him more than anything. He became my world. Every dream I had was with him. Every song I sang was about him. But life does not always go the way we hope. Slowly, he changed. He stopped calling. He stopped smiling at me. He became cold like winter wind. I questioned him what was wrong. He said nothing. But I felt it. I felt the distance grow between us. One day, he left. He found someone else. He walked away and never looked back. He forgot about me. He forgot about us. I cried every night. I held my pillow and whispered his name. I asked myself why, but no answer came. My heart became ice. I smiled on the outside, but inside I was cold. I laughed with others, but inside I was crying. I lived, but I was not alive. Days turned into months. Time passed slowly. My heart stayed broken. I missed him. I missed his laugh. I missed his voice. I missed the dreams we made together. But no matter how much I missed him, he did not come back. I waited for his calls, for his messages. But many nights, my phone stayed silent. Still, I stayed strong. I told myself he loves me. Everything will be okay. But deep inside, I knew the truth. I was losing him. And maybe I was losing myself too. One morning, I looked in the mirror. I saw a girl with tired eyes. I saw a girl who forgot how to dream. I saw a girl who needed to be strong again. I told myself, Anna, you must change. Anna, you must live again. That day, I made a decision. I would not cry for him anymore. I would not wait for him anymore. I would not sing songs about him anymore. I started to heal. I started to smile, even if it was small. I started to find myself again. I changed my hair. I bought new clothes. I started to read books. I went to places I had never been. I found new dreams. I found new hope. I remembered who I was before him. I remembered my dreams. I remembered my strength. I wrote a letter to him. But this letter was different. It was not a love letter. It was a goodbye letter. I wrote, I loved you once. I waited for you. I cried for you. But now, I choose myself. I choose my happiness. I wish you well, but I will not sing about you anymore. This is my last letter. Goodbye. I burned the letter. I watched the paper turn to ashes. I felt free. I stopped waiting. I stopped crying. I stopped singing songs about him. I started a new life. I started a new journey. I started to love myself. Now, I am a different person. Now, I have a new life. Now, I smile for myself. The girl who waited is gone. The girl who cried is gone. I am stronger. I am braver. I am happier. If he is happy, it is enough for me. I don't hate him. I don't wait for him. I just wish him a good life. Because of him, I found myself. Because of him, I became stronger. Because of him, I learned how to love myself. When I think of him, I smile gently. Not because I want him back, but because he helped me find my strength. Now, I walk with my head high. I smile from my heart. I dream bigger dreams. I live a brighter life. This is my story. A story of pain. A story of love. A story of change. And now, a story of hope. Thank you for listening to my story. Maybe you are also healing from something. Maybe you are also learning to be strong. Please remember, you are not alone. We all have pain, but we also have the power to rise again. Thank you for being here with me. Your support means the world to me. If you liked this story, please stay with me for more. Together, we can grow, we can heal, and we can find happiness again. I love you all. See you in the next story. If you enjoy the story, please like, subscribe, and share.